Pernem police station में there was an information saying that one foreign national was behaving very badly and rashly, creating ruckus in the area. So immediately police officers were detailed to that area, and where the police officers found a Russian national who was half naked and actually abusing and in a very agitated state of mind. So prima facie it appeared like he was having psychological or psychiatric instability, because of which the police officers took him to the nearby health center. When the person was taken to the nearby health center, and as he reached the health center, he became very aggressive and very agitated, that the doctor himself said that this person requires psychiatric help and he can't be taken care of in the primary health center, so he has to be shifted to a psychiatrical institution. So the police officers were in the process of shifting him to a psychiatric institution, and for that, as per the procedure, the permission from the judicial magistrate is required. So in that process, the police officers were taking him to the judicial magistrate. On the way, he became non-responsive, and immediately he was taken to the primary health center where he was declared prostrate. So we have submitted a report to the judicial magistrate, we have submitted a report to the sub-divisional magistrate, and we are taking necessary action as per the law. Based on the directions from the judicial magistrate or the sub-divisional magistrate, we will take further action. We are also in the process of informing concerned authorities. We are also in the process of informing the Russian embassy as well. Mental Health Act 2017 mandates the police officers to give protection to help the people who are having who are in an agitated state or who are not in a good psychiatric condition. So we can say the police officers were trying to protect him, and we are trying to protect him, and we are trying to give him necessary medical health care. We were in that process. No.